for the well-being of people and to protect them from difficulties, saints take rebirth. Sri Sai Baba's life's aim was also well-being of the downtrodden. He had set examples many times by saving lives of people through miracles. In 1910, during Diwali days, Baba was sitting next to the fire furnace and was putting sticks. Also, his eternal disciple Madhav Rao Deshpande, alias Shama, was sitting next to him. At that same time, far away in Ironsmith's house, the ironsmith was busy at his work. To hammer the furnace, he called out his wife. Listening to her husband's call, she ran to the furnace, but in the rush, she also carried her small girl to the furnace. As soon as she came, she started to work at the furnace. Here, Baba's furnace had lit up, and suddenly, Baba put one of his hands in the furnace. According to his action, it seemed as he was trying to pull somebody out of the fire. As soon as Madhav Rao saw this, as he was sitting next to Baba, he jumped and pulled Baba away from the fire.
Deva, why did you do this? Why did you burn your hand?
Ironsmith's daughter had fallen in the fire. If I had not removed her on time, she would have been burnt to death.
Later, after inquiring, it was learned that the ironsmith's daughter had slipped and fallen into the furnace. But Baba burnt his hand so that the fire did not hurt the child. This was Sai Baba, and this was his love for his devotees.
एक पोर रे खाकेचे म्हणती निसटले, भट्टीत पडले एकाकी, ऐकूनी निजपतीच्या हाके, लोहाराची रांड रे धाके, मारुनी आपुल्या पोरासी खाके, भाता फुके भट्टीचा, फुकता फुकता लक्ष चुकली, खाकेसी पोर हे ती विसरली, पोरती अचपळ तेथूनी निसटली, पडताची उचलली मी श्यामा, काढावयासी त्या पोरीला, गेलो तो हा प्रकार घडला, भाजू दे रे हात मेला, प्राण रे वाचला पोरीचा.